Hey guys, good evening, and welcome to our fifth session for this evening. What we're going to have this evening is about Android services. We are now on our module 15, lesson 15. So first things first, our objectives are as follows. Number one, discuss the importance of mobile as a platform. Number two, value the importance of mobile use as a platform. And number three, understand the basic concepts and structures of mobile use as a platform. So we're going to talk about Android operating system. So in tuto of this, Android operating system is a mobile operating system based on modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software. So it's designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices known as smartphones and tablets. And Android is developed by the consortium of developers known as the Open Handset Alliance and commercially sponsored by Google. So it was unveiled in November 2007 with the first commercial Android device, that is HTC Dream, being launched in September 2008. So as AOSP, or the Android Open Source Project, it is primarily licensed under Apache license, and Android devices shipped with additional proprietary software pre-installed, most notably the Google Mobile Services. So which includes the core applications such as the Google Chrome and digital distribution platform Google Play and associated Google Play services and development platform. For Android Auto, this is an application used in your vehicles, and it's pre-installed on your cars, and it is a mobile application by Google to mirror features of an Android devices such as the smartphone. So on the car's dashboard, information and entertainment head unit. So once Android services is paired with the car's headset or the head unit, the system can mirror some application on the vehicle display. So it's not the display altogether, but just the mirror of anything that is being put into your Android devices or in your Android handsets or phones. It supports application including GPS and navigation, music playback, SMS, phone, and web search. So the system supports both touchscreen and button-controlled head units, but hands-free operation through voice command is available and recommended to reduce the driver distraction. So Android Auto is part of an Open Automotive Alliance joint effort of 28 automobile manufacturers with NVIDIA as tech supplier, available in 36 countries. So next in line is the Wear OS, or the Wear operating system. So for Wear operating system, this is a version of Google's Android operating system designed for smartwatches and other wearables. You have to pair this with your mobile phone running in Android version 6 or newer. So iOS application or 10 or newer with limited support from Google pairing application. Wear OS integrates Google Assistant technology and mobile notifications into the smartphone form factor. So Wear OS supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 3G, and LTE connectivity, as well as a range of features and applications. Watch face styles include round, my square, my rectangle, and hardware manufacturer partners include Asus, Broadcom, Fossil, HTC, Intel, LG, MediaTek, Imagen Technologies, Motorola, New Balance, Qualcomm, Samsung, Huawei, Skagen, Polar, Taguwer, Soto, and Movdi. So among other companies and brands that you can see. Another Android services is Android television or Android TV. So there's a wide range or variety of Android boxes that is being sold on Lazada and Shopee. But then again, Android television has its own basis for the Android and developed by Google for television sets. So they are specifically developed for television, and it has a digital media player, set-top boxes, sound bars, and it is a successor to Google TV. So it features a user interface designed around content discovery and voice search, and content aggregation from various media application and services. So among others, and it has an integration of Google technologies such as the Assistant, the Cast, and Knowledge Graph. So the platform was unveiled first in June 2014 and was first made available on the Nexus player in that year, in the month of November. Okay, so for your guys, for your activity 15, what you're going to do is to make a pic collage of any Android devices such as TV, watches, etc. So I think you have to do it all together, ang tanan ng services that we mentioned. Or maybe please add one service nga wala na list sa ano naton. So that's it for this week. And to the stars through knowledge. Okay, so that is all for this week that we have our activity, and I think it's very doable, and I think it's very easy, no? So guys, please do your I would like to make mention about your activities. Please, I would like to announce that please prepare for the final examination. Maybe guys, we still have 3 more weeks to spend, and more probably 2 or 3 weeks pa, then we'll have our final exam. Okay. Do you have any questions about the things that we have for this week? Okay, Josh, that's early attendance that you have there. But it's okay. If you don't have any more questions, guys, please jot down your attendance on our text boxes. I hope that you enjoyed our activities, among others. I don't know if you still have more activity like your TikTok or the video making, but then again, I hope that you can, some of your classmates can still pass their work before the final exam. I will just announce to you some things, or some other things that, or the coming activities that we will be having. Maybe not a more conducive lang siguro na why naman kita guys it mga project or something. So I'm hoping that you can iron out everything of your activities before the final exam. You can pass it. Your past activities can still be accessed. You can still pass your work. Malaan naman kung diin siguro ang why pa ninyo mapasa. So please endeavor to pass it so that I can check before the final exam. Guys, I would like you to be wary of your environment starting tomorrow because of the things that is happening around us, and there will be no lockout. But however, we have the stricter border checkpoints that is being all together in our province for this week and for the whole month of June. I think until June 18th, and then until further notice. So if you want to travel from one place to another, you have to secure your travel pass, and you can get it in your barangay halls and your barangay captains that will provide you the travel pass. But make sure to wear masks still and your face shields, and bring some alcohol with you so that you can still be safe in your travels. So thank you for attending our session for this evening, guys, and hopefully next week we'll have another light activity, and we're going to have a short lecture before that. And please check your Google Classroom once in a while and pass your activities. Okay, so shout out to your homies there at home, and your thank you for attending our class for this evening. So thank you guys, and good evening. Okay, so I will stop the recording. Thank you guys, and Do you have something to share to us? No more? No more announcements? Okay, so just stay tuned. Make sure to jot down your attendance, ha? Okay, good evening. Good evening, guys. Oy, Raden is posting some Facebook link. What is
Sir,
this?
sorry sir, dang ako naka-open gali ya dang ana diya sir nga dang ano sa cellphone ko ay ko na notice sorry.
Yeah, okay lang, James. Okay lang. Oo. It's okay. Ah. Okay, sige guys. If you have any more inquiries or probably if you want to query something or ask question, you may message me directly to my PM or you can put your question in our GC. Okay, I'll stop the recording and good evening. Don't forget to pray. Be vaccinated and be safe. And thank you for attending our class. So good evening, guys.